Who knows when it's gonna... Huh? Sure, whatever. There we go. Oh, come on. Urgh. There we go.
They replied to Lamb the welcome emoji.
As you wish. Just remember you asked for it. Ow. There we go. He wasn't using that neck right. Or that head, right? Good. Now, who's next? Give it that. Give it that. Who's next? Ow?
Director Chen, I'm under heavy attack. I can't proceed.
According to satellite data, there's a hull to your right. Get in there.
Yeah, sure. Wait. Ow.
I should be safe for now.
Yeah, for now.
You've still got company. Watch out for recon jets up above.
Roger.
How long do I have to look out for them? There we go. Easy peasy living greasy. Ah, boy.
Director Chen, I've left the safe spot. Where's the next target?
Go through the restaurant 200 meters ahead and you'll find a river. Cross that river and the road will lead to the target. Head there.
Alright then, big boy. Oh god. There we go. Oh, come on! There we go. all I need. Alright, target practice. Was using that head, were you, right? Sniper rifles. The bigger brother of the little sister shotgun. Ow. You first. Jesus. I don't even know how he was hitting me. Come on, big boy. And that's why people use range weapons instead of actual whatever the hell he was using. Alright, let's see what I can plug you into. Light blade. What is this? Nah, guns. Tracer rounds. Yeah, let's just increase this. Oh, that seems fun. Open door. Why not? Sit your ass down. Where the f do you think you're going, soldier boy? Get your back over here. First, I'm gonna grab all these magazines to kill you with. Then I'm gonna set your ass on fire. Game. Yes, you will set his ass on fire. What? What the heck? Fire! Yeah, he wasn't using that life, right? Cover me. There's your cover. Who's next? Oh, you?
Can't rush straight through. I need to find another route.
How? Woo!
Looks like they're gone.
Are they gone, though? I really don't want to touch that wood. They really don't like me for some strange reason. I wonder why.
Shelia, the satellites can't confirm your coordinates. Where are you?
I'm in a reed field.
Just past the reed field is Fengju Bridge. Head somewhere from which you can check it out.
Roger.
Ugh. I've been playing too much Once Human. I was trying to skin that thing. Well, I don't like the sounds of that. There's something else out here. Uh-oh. I mean, these boards are powerful, don't get me wrong, but ow. Brave little thoughts. Also, where do all these boars come from, eh? For me? Oh, you shouldn't have. Let's increase you, eh? Alright, let's do this. Any more boars? Something tell me showtime's about to start. Here we go again. I don't know what the fuck's going on, but it ain't good. Come on a bit more. Dodge. What the hell? God. Get over here. Come here. Get over here. Come here. That's better chicken. Look at that. Don't mind if I do. Let's see what else I can buff up, huh? Pistol. That seems like fun. Yeah, I'll just put into it there.
Director Chen, I've checked Songview Bridge. 2 enemy aircraft passed overhead.